If you're looking for a free project management tool that allows you to have an unlimited number of users and projects, Google Tasks is the one you need. It's completely free, and all you need is a basic Google account. Today, we will explore how to stay organized using Google Tasks. One of the first things you can do is create lists. Lists help you categorize and manage your tasks efficiently. For example, you can create lists like My Tasks, Work, and Personal. Here's how. To create a list, go to Create New List and click on it. Name your new list. For instance, let's call it Travel. And here it is. You can create as many lists as you want. For simplicity, we'll stick to 3, My Tasks, Work, and Personal. Now that you have created your list, let's create a task. To create a task, go to a list and click on Add Task, then title your task. For example, call the manager. When you are done, press Enter to save it, and your task will appear on the list. You can also create subtasks, which are useful for breaking down tasks into smaller steps. For example, to add a subtask to the task, check and respond to emails. Click the 3 dots here, and then click Add Subtask, and title your subtasks. Subtasks help you organize every detail under a broader goal. This is how to add a description to a task on Google Tasks. Click on the task and include extra details. This might be to explain a task to a team member or give direction on how the task should be carried out. When you are done, click Enter. Next, I will show you how to move a task from one list to another. If a task is in the wrong list, or you simply just want to reorganize your task by moving it to another list, click and drag the task, then drop it into the list you want. Look out for this blue line and let it guide you. Next, there are 2 ways to prioritizing and grouping tasks. The first one is the starred feature. To focus on specific tasks, use the star icon to mark important tasks. This feature groups starred tasks together for easy access. Alternatively, use the My Tasks list to gather tasks you want to attend to at a particular time. You can also hide other lists, leaving only the My Tasks list visible. To do this, uncheck the other list here. Setting due dates and recurring tasks. To add due date to a task, click on the task. Then click on Time and Date and set a due date and time. You can also make tasks recurring, such as daily, weekly, or monthly. Tasks with due dates automatically appear on your Google Calendar. Ensure the Google Tasks option is enabled in Calendar settings to view them. If not, you won't be able to view your task here on Google Calendar. Another way to add due dates is by using the My Tasks button. Simply click on it to access all your tasks in Google Tasks. From there, you can drag and drop tasks to set their due dates. For instance, you can select a task, drag it, and drop it into the desired date, and the due date and time will be automatically added. Repeat this process for other tasks as needed, making it a quick and convenient method for organizing your schedule. Organizing completed tasks. Once a task is completed, mark it as complete by checking it off your list. If you want to view completed tasks, toggle the Show Completed option. When you're done with all your tasks in a list, and you want to add new tasks, unhide your work or personal lists, and drag the next set of tasks to My Tasks. So this is how easy it is to organize your project and tasks with Google Tasks. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more productivity content.